guys, it's your girl Naturally Nada here, and I'm back with another video. So today guys, I'm going to be reviewing NiaWigs. NiaWigs sent me over this deep wave texture wig. It is 14 inches in length and the cap size on it is a medium. So we're going to be unboxing it and trying it on today. I loved how much stuff came in the box and the quality of everything that came in the box. So thoughtful. They included a detangling brush, and I love detangling brushes like that. 2 wig caps in nude color, and also the wig came in this really nice satin bag that you can always store this wig in. Everything just looks so high quality and so nice, and I love the purple and gold. It also came with an adjustable wig band. I've never seen a wig come with a wig band, and the wig band is really cute. It also came with an information pamphlet, as you see me looking through right here. They do have a variety of headband wigs, so they had those on the front, and then some instructions and everything on how to wear the wig inside. So I'm going to go ahead and open this purple satin bag with a drawstring at the top and reveal the wig. This is how the wig looks like straight out of the package. I have already worn this wig, so the lace is cut, and as you can see, there is a little bit of got to be a glued spray on the lace, but that's because I've worn it. There are 2 clips on either side of the lace, and then there's a larger one in the back, and also it comes with the bra straps. This is what the adjustable wig band looks like. I had to open it because I've never really seen one of these, nor do I really ever use these. I did not use it with this wig either because I realized from wearing this wig that I am definitely a large when it comes to cap size. I have a lot of hair, and I really think that's the main reason why. So I definitely needed to go up a size, and I really did not need to have that extra security with the adjustable wig band because this wig was already very tight on my head. So as you can see, there is a lot of space in the lace for you to part different ways. It goes pretty far on either side, close to your ear, so you could do a number of different styles depending on your mood and what type of style you're going for. So I really did like that as well. So now I'm taking the Got to Be Freeze Blasting Spray, and I'm just spraying some of that around the perimeter of my hairline, before my hairline on my forehead, and I'm going to dry it with a blow dryer till it gets nice and tacky and sticky, and then I'm going to use that to put the lace on top of and adhere the wig to my head. Now I'm taking this this water bottle, like a misting water bottle that I love so much. It's so simple to use, and it just gives you a nice mist on your hair. Every natural hair person needs this this spray bottle, and I got it from Amazon. I'll try to link it below if I can, but it's amazing. I love it so much. So I'm just spraying my hair after I've tied the top part down. I don't want to get the top part of my hair where I just sprayed that freeze blasting spray wet, because then it'll just come up. Of course, it won't stick to my head. So I'm just doing the bottom portion of my hair while the top portion dries, that has that freeze blasting spray on it. As you can see, the texture of the hair is absolutely gorgeous. I've never had a wig. This is a very high quality wig. I just like the hair texture. It's really pretty. Like it's amazing, especially all you really need is water and a little bit of product to really make it last all day. So I'm using this All About Curls Taming Cream. I really like this stuff. It kind of like makes your hair have that wet look, but it doesn't go away. It just stays like that all day. So I'm just putting a little bit of that on the hair and scrunching it up, and that's really all I did. And you'll have these nice waves or curls. So I left that satin cap on for about 10 minutes, and now that freeze blasting spray has dried. So now I'm going to work on the top portion of my hair by doing the same exact thing that I did to the bottom. Just going to take that misting spray bottle and spray it all over the top portion of my hair, still trying to stay away from the actual hairline where I sprayed the spray as much as possible. And I'm also going to add a little bit more of that All About Curls Taming Cream to the top portion of my hair also. And that is it, guys. That is the finished look. That's all I did to make this, to style this wig. This is a good wig to wear every day because it is quite easy to style and to make look good. And you could also wear this as a headband wig if you wanted to. You could do it, and I have done it, and it looks really good. NiaWigs gets a 10 out of 10 as far as the quality of the hair of this wig and the box that it came in and all the extra goodies that you get along with the unit. It's really, really nice, really high quality. I love the 5x5 lace where it allows for free parting, and also how natural and full looking the wig is. Very, very pretty. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you're interested in this unit, it will be linked in the description box below. Definitely check them out if you're in the market for a really nice quality human hair wig. I'll see y'all next time. Bye-bye.